Thinking about buying a house? It's a huge step and can be overwhelming. But don't worry, this video breaks it all down for you. We'll explore the best states for home buyers, focusing on affordability, job markets, and quality of life. From median home prices to strong economies and low taxes, we'll help you find the perfect place to call home. Let's dive in. First up, Texas, a powerhouse for home buyers. Known as the Lone Star State, Texas stands out for its unique blend of tradition and innovation, making it a magnet for people seeking new beginnings and financial growth. Beyond Austin's high prices, Texas offers affordable homes outside major cities. Whether you're drawn to the charm of small towns, the comfort of suburban neighborhoods, or the wide-open spaces of rural Texas, there's a place for every lifestyle and budget. The real gem? No state income tax, putting more money in your pocket. This means your hard-earned dollars go further, allowing you to save, invest, or simply enjoy a higher quality of life. Texas boasts a diverse economy with tech giants like Tesla and Oracle. The state is rapidly becoming a hub for innovation, attracting top talent and new businesses from across the country. This economic strength supports property value appreciation. As industries grow and jobs multiply, home values in many Texas communities continue to rise, making real estate a smart investment. From Austin's vibrant music and tech culture to Dallas's metropolitan energy and San Antonio's rich history, Texas offers diverse lifestyles and endless opportunities for entertainment, work, and play. Affordable housing, a booming job market, and no state income tax make Texas a top choice. Families, young professionals, and retirees alike are finding their perfect fit in communities across the state. It's a strategic move for building long-term wealth. Investing in Texas real estate means setting yourself up for financial security and future growth, thanks to the state's strong fundamentals. Texas truly delivers on the American dream of homeownership. Here, you can find a welcoming community, a place to put down roots, and the chance to watch your investment grow. Consider Texas for a solid financial future. With its combination of affordability, opportunity, and growth, it's no wonder so many are making the move. It's a state that offers both opportunity and quality of life, making Texas not just a place to live, but a place to truly thrive. Next, let's head to Florida. Once known primarily as a retirement haven, but now rapidly transforming into a vibrant hotspot for families, young professionals, and entrepreneurs alike. The Sunshine State is attracting people from all walks of life, drawn by its unique blend of opportunity and lifestyle. One of Florida's biggest draws is its lack of state income tax, which means more money stays in your pocket. This financial advantage is a major reason why so many are choosing to relocate, especially those looking to maximize their earnings and savings. But it's not just about the money. The lifestyle here is truly unbeatable. Imagine endless stretches of sandy beaches, abundant sunshine, and the ability to enjoy outdoor activities all year long. From surfing and boating to family picnics in the park, Florida offers a laid-back yet active way of life. While Miami's real estate prices continue to soar, other cities like Tampa and Orlando are emerging as affordable and attractive alternatives. These areas offer a range of housing options, from modern condos to spacious family homes, making it easier for newcomers to find their perfect fit. Florida's job market is thriving, with booming sectors in finance, healthcare, technology, and tourism. New businesses are opening their doors every day, and established companies are expanding, creating a wealth of opportunities for career growth and advancement. This economic diversity not only fuels job creation, but also supports steadily rising home values, making real estate a smart investment for the future. Florida truly combines an enviable lifestyle, significant tax advantages, and a rapidly growing economy, making it a top destination for those seeking both personal and financial growth. For anyone looking to build wealth and enjoy life, it's a state with serious financial upside and long-term potential. Of course, you'll need to be ready for the heat and humidity. Florida's climate can be intense, especially in the summer months. But for many, the benefits far outweigh the weather challenges. If you're seeking a vibrant lifestyle, career opportunities, and the chance to grow your finances, Florida is definitely worth considering. The Sunshine State offers more than just beautiful weather. It's a place where sun, opportunity, and prosperity come together for a truly bright future. North Carolina blends Southern charm with modern innovation. Affordable housing in Raleigh and Charlotte makes it an attractive destination for families and young professionals alike. The cities offer a unique mix of historic charm and modern amenities, making them ideal places to live and work. And Asheville, with its vibrant art scene and stunning mountain views, makes your money go further. The cost of living is lower compared to other tech hubs, allowing for a higher quality of life. The tech boom in the Research Triangle Park fuels a thriving economy. This area is home to some of the nation's leading tech companies and research institutions, providing ample job opportunities and fostering innovation. North Carolina offers a perfect balance of career opportunities and recreational activities. Whether you're hiking in the Blue Ridge Mountains or relaxing on the Outer Banks beaches, there's something for everyone. The housing market is diverse, with a wide range of options to suit different needs and budgets. From cozy suburban homes to modern city apartments, there's a perfect home for everyone. With options for different needs and budgets, North Carolina ensures that everyone can find a place to call home. North Carolina combines a dynamic job market with a relaxed lifestyle. The state is known for its friendly communities and welcoming atmosphere, making it a great place to settle down. It's a top-tier choice for long-term stability and quality of life. With its strong economy, diverse housing options, and abundant recreational activities, North Carolina truly has it all. Tennessee offers a low cost of living with no state income tax. Affordable homes in Nashville's suburbs and cities like Knoxville and Memphis. A growing economy with healthcare, logistics, and tech industries. Tennessee's culture, history, and natural beauty enhance quality of life. It's a state with financial benefits and vibrant opportunities. Consider Tennessee for value and a welcoming community. Arizona attracts young professionals and families with affordability and sunshine. The Phoenix area offers affordable homes compared to California. A booming job market in aerospace, defense, and tech industries. Arizona's diverse lifestyles range from urban to scenic retreats, low property taxes, and no tax on Social Security benefits. Arizona is a smart move for both working years and retirement. It's a state with a bright outlook for home buyers. Georgia offers diversity in cities, economy, and landscape. Atlanta's vibrant job market fuels real estate growth. Affordable housing in Atlanta suburbs and charming cities like Savannah. Georgia's property taxes and cost of living are competitive. The state balances economic opportunities with southern charm. Georgia provides options for different lifestyles and budgets. It's a state on the move with solid investment potential. Consider Georgia for a rich tapestry of possibilities. Ohio offers rock-solid affordability and quality of life. Low median home prices make homeownership accessible. A stable economy with major cities like Columbus and Cincinnati. Ohio's friendly communities and family-oriented atmosphere. Excellent schools, parks, and cultural institutions. Ohio provides financial peace of mind and long-term security. It's a smart choice for practical homebuyers. We've explored 7 top states for buying a home. Each offers unique benefits for career, wallet, and lifestyle. The key is finding the state that aligns with your goals. The right house in the right state can be your best investment. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And thanks for watching.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.